Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily find the item number for any product on Forever 21. It's a very simple process and I'll show you how to find it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. Now log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the product you are interested in. You can browse through different categories. For now, I'll select men's clothing. You can tap on any products. Once you tap on the product, it'll open the detailed product page. Here you will find all the information about the item, including sizes, colors, and their prices. And in order to find the item number, you need to scroll down a little bit. And on the description of this product, here you can see the product code. The product code and the item number are similar things. It can be labeled differently by different companies. So that's it. You've successfully found the item number for your Forever 21 product using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.